Hello everyone, this video goes over installing MoonTrader. First of all, we need to register our accounts on Binance.com and MoonTrader.com. After that, we download MoonTrader client. We save it on disk C or D in a folder called, for example, MoonTrader. And now we need to install our MoonTrader. After it's done, we need to open MoonTrader Launcher to set our profile. Here we press Add Profile, New License, and in the first line we need activation code, which we can find on moontrader.com. We simply copy it and paste it. And here we need our API keys, which we can find on binance.com, API management. Here we label our API keys, for example, test. Complete the following verification to secure our account. Here we need to edit our API list to choose wallets we are going to work with. Verification one more time. And now we copy our API keys and paste them into the profile. The same thing goes with the secret API key. We press activate. Now we have our license. And now we need to paste our core token into the profile. Here we label our profile, for example, test, and press add profile. Now we press start, and as you can see, core immediately starts working. Charts are loading, everything works fine, but for better data transfer between core and Binance, I recommend you to install your core on virtual private server. So now we go to our virtual private server. Open Internet Explorer, which is pre-installed, and follow the link which will be in the description to download MoonTrader client. Here we press OK twice, then we press Add twice, follow the link one more time, and save our MoonTrader client on disk C or D in the folder called, for example, MoonTrader. And now we need to create a new inbound port rule. So we go to Windows Defender Firewall. Here we press inbound rules, new rule. Here we choose port and press next. Here we choose UDP, and in the line called specific local ports we type 4242. Here we don't change anything, and here we label our rule, for example, test, and press finish. After that we install MoonTrader. And now we need to copy our profile data from local PC, these three files, in the data folder on our private server. After it's done, we need to set our profile on our local PC. So we open MoonTrader Launcher. Open our profile settings. Here we choose Run Client Only. And in the line address, we paste IP address of our virtual server. And edit profile. And now if we press start, nothing is working because core is shut down. So we launch the core. As you can see, everything works fine, but data transfer between core and Binance is much better. Everything will be in the description. Thanks and bye bye.